Am I the asshole for asking my sister to stop fostering dogs so she can help me with my kids? Okay, so just writing the title makes me feel super guilty, but please hear me out to the end before judging too harshly. I, 38 female, have 4 kids, ages 11 months, 3, 5, and 10. I love them all more than anything, but I'll be the first to admit that our house is constant chaos, and it can get very exhausting. My sister, 33 female, is child-free, but she does love my kids and is happy to watch the 2 older ones and sometimes 3 to help keep my sanity. This has been extremely helpful, and I tell her all the time how grateful I am that she can help me. The thing is that the kids used to go over her house, but right now they couldn't because my sister has been fostering an elderly Chihuahua. My sister claims she couldn't have them over for the time being because they would stress out the dog. Her dog is extremely frail and timid, so I guess that's a fair assessment. This was the 4th dog that she's fostered, all of which my kids couldn't be around. This most recent dog took 8 months to find a home, but for the other dogs it took even longer. When she told me she found an adopter, I knew I could finally breathe a sigh of relief and joked about how I was glad that she could babysit again. My sister proceeded to tell me that there was a 2nd dog that desperately needed a new foster, so she planned on taking in that one as soon as her current dog was gone. So she couldn't do any more babysitting than she already is. Which all she really does at this point is sometimes comes over my house in the morning to help out. I could literally feel my stress levels spike. I haven't ever done this before, but I opened up to her about how much I have been struggling since she got the dog. About how little sleep I get each night. About how my husband hasn't been helping as much as he should. And I just opened up to her about a lot of personal issues that I've been struggling with. Then I just asked her point blank to not get another dog. She comforted me, but ultimately didn't agree on anything that I said and said she needed some time to think. I know rescuing dogs is my sister's passion, and that's why I feel so guilty. But I don't have anyone else to help, and I can't afford a babysitter long term, and all of my friends have kids of their own to look after. Above all, my kids will always come before a dog, and that's the reason I was willing to request it. I've told a few different people about the situation and have gotten a wide range of heavily biased opinions. I would never demand her do this if she didn't want to. So was I being unreasonable? And just so you know, my husband isn't a deadbeat dad. He's just been going through a lot of depression ever since our youngest son was born. He's just miserable. I would have asked him for help, but I didn't want to risk losing him. At the end of the day, I just think my sister should be putting my kids over a dog.